Hello there, and how are you? My name is Muhindo Mubarak, and I am going to be your tutor in this series of videos of Android Material UI components. We are going to look at different components of Android programming, where we'll discuss topics such as buttons, cards, Android forms, lists, grid lists, bottom sheet, toolbars, dialog boxes, menus, tabs, chips, sliders, pickers, and steppers. We'll not stop from just creating basic components of Android Material UI. We'll go ahead and also try different projects, and in this course I've prepared projects such as creating timelines, creating search user interfaces, you create no item user interfaces, progress activities, dashboards, shopping carts, shopping user interfaces, payment user interfaces, verification processes, sliders, login user interfaces, profile, and many more projects that you're going to cover in this course. It's going to be a package of different components, and I'll make sure that it is as simple as possible but complete. So I hope you're ready to take this journey with me. If you are, then let's get started.